ماشي ضروري نجيبوا الكاس ولا نديروا مليون باس المهم نهزوا الراس رجال المغرب في الكورة كلاس أولي 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 يا الولاد يلا نهزوا رابو ديال البلاد
Tanzania make a really good game, so congratulations to them. In the CAF, it's not an easy game, never. To be honest, since I came, it's my first CAF, and it's been really difficult. Every game is a battle. And yeah, the coach in the second half made some changes, and I think it helps us a lot. And yeah, really happy to make goals in every game. But the most important is to be in the quarterfinal.